Hello guys! We're talking about letrang J called J. I have a song. Unsay tingog sa letrang J. Dako o kamay. J, J, J. Ang tingog niya. I know how to make letrang J. Patingdog, pakurba, patungdok. And mama niya pakurba, patingdog, pakurba, pahigda. That's how you make letrang J. Baby J.
Baby J. What's example of that?
Ikaw kay
J.
Baby Gay.
Jar. Jar.
Jelly?
Jelly. Jam. Bye-bye guys. Ma, unsay